Hey there, and welcome back to DKDS Analytics. Before we jump into the next lesson, let's test what you've learned so far with a short quiz. This quiz is based on our very first video, What is Data? If you haven't watched that lesson yet, I strongly recommend you go check it out first. You'll find the link in the description below, or just click the card above this video. Alright, ready? I'll read each question and give you 5 seconds to think. Then I'll reveal the correct answer before moving on. Let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following scenarios involves data? A. Reading a newspaper headline. B. Taking a photo with your phone. C. Sending money via mobile banking. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Each of these actions creates or uses data in some form. Question 2. According to Dr. Anil K. Maheshwari, what qualifies as data? A. Only numerical facts. B. Only scientific experiments. C. Anything that can be recorded, including observations and opinions. D. Only structured tables in a computer. The correct answer is C. Anything that can be recorded, even opinions and personal stories, counts as data. Question 3. What is metadata? A. A type of error in a dataset. B. Data about data, such as file type or timestamp. C. Public government information. D. Data stored in binary form only. The answer is B. Metadata is simply data about data, like when a file was created or who uploaded it. Question 4. Which of these is an example of ordinal data? A. Blood pressure readings. B. Shirt sizes, small, medium, large. C. Phone numbers. D. Country names. The answer is B. Shirt sizes are ordered categories, which makes them ordinal data. Question 5. How does interval data differ from ratio data? A. Interval data can't be used in tables. B. Interval data lacks a true zero point. C. Ratio data is only used in banking. D. Interval data is always inaccurate. The correct answer is B. Interval data has equal steps, but no true zero. Question 6. What is datafication? A. The loss of privacy due to AI. B. A statistical process. C. The transformation of everyday activities into digital data. D. Cleaning unstructured data. The answer is C. Datafication means turning real-world actions into digital information. And finally, question 7. What is a major difference between public and private data? A. Public data is fake. Private data is real. B. Public data is widely accessible. Private data requires ethical protection. C. Private data is only for banks. D. Public data is encrypted. The answer is B. Private data needs more ethical protection, while public data is usually open to access. Great job making it to the end of the quiz. How did you do? Let us know in the comments, and feel free to ask questions or share what surprised you most. If you're ready, the next lesson is waiting for you. We'll explore structured versus unstructured data. Thanks for learning with DKDS Analytics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone curious about data. See you in the next video.